Mount Washington, standing at an elevation of 6,288 feet. Mount Washington is the highest peak in the northeastern United States. The mountain offers awe-inspiring vistas of the surrounding White Mountains and beyond. You can choose to hike up the mountain via challenging trails like the Tuckerman Ravine Trail, or take a more leisurely route on the Mount Washington Auto Road or the Mount Washington Cog Railway, which is a scenic train ride that ascends to the summit, Franconia Notch State Park. Located in the heart of the White Mountains, Franconia Notch State Park is a natural wonderland. The park is home to the famous Flume Gorge, a narrow chasm with towering granite walls, cascading waterfalls, and a boardwalk that allows visitors to explore its beauty up close. Additionally, the park offers scenic drives along the Franconia Notch Parkway, where you can admire stunning mountain scenery and stop at attractions like Echo Lake and the Old Man of the Mountain Historic Site. White Mountain National Forest, encompassing more than 750,000 acres, the White Mountain National Forest is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. It features numerous hiking trails that lead to breathtaking vistas, such as the Franconia Ridge Loop, which offers stunning panoramic views of the surrounding peaks. The forest also boasts pristine rivers and waterfalls, including the picturesque Saturday Falls, and the beautiful Efusa Falls. Scenic drives like the Kankomagus Highway and the Mount Washington Auto Road take you through the heart of this spectacular wilderness. Kankomagus Highway, also known as the Kants, the Kankomagus Highway is a 34-mile scenic byway that winds through the White Mountains. This picturesque drive takes you past towering peaks, dense forests, and pristine rivers. In the fall, the highway becomes particularly breathtaking as the foliage bursts into vibrant hues of red, orange, and yellow. Along the way, you can stop at scenic overlooks, hike to stunning waterfalls like Saturday Falls, or enjoy a picnic in one of the many designated areas. Mount Monadnock. Located in southwestern New Hampshire, Mount Monadnock is a beloved destination for hikers. Despite its modest elevation of 3,165 feet, the mountain offers expansive views of the surrounding landscape. Its bare rock summit allows you to see the rolling hills, lakes, and forests of New Hampshire, as well as distant peaks in Massachusetts and Vermont. There are several trails to the summit, with the White Dot Trail and White Cross Trail being the most popular choices.